To add animations to the elements of your Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add animations to elements in your Canva design. So in order to start, let's first create a normal design. So in order to create a design in Canva, you need to click onto this create button, or you may also choose to click over to this plus icon at the top left. And once you will click any of these from this dialog box, you can type anything that you want to create. So let us go for presentations, and let me choose a 16:9 ratio presentation. And once I will click onto this, you can see that we have successfully entered a new design. So let me quickly add any element, and I will show you how you can add animations into that particular element. So to add element, let me go to the elements tab, and once the elements will load, I will choose any element and then I will paste it here. So as here you can see, I have loaded some of the elements. So let me quickly add this graphic right here, and to demonstrate as well, let me add a photo. Let's say this photo right here. So as you can see, I have added this graphic as well as this picture right here in my Canva design, and now I will show you how you can add animations to these particular elements. So in order to add animation into these elements, the first thing that you need to do is select the particular element, and then from here you can see this animate tab right here. So simply click onto this animate tab and it will open the animation page. Now from here you have this following option. You need to make sure that it is selected to photo, and now you have these options. The first option is, since this is a presentation, this setting says appear on click. So that means the animation or this particular image will only appear when I click. So currently I will leave it to default. And in order to add animations, you can see that under the featured you can have add these particular elements. So if you will hover your cursor over to any animation, you can see how the animation is going to look. So these are the animations. As you can see, these are some newly added Canva animations, and here are some more which says under the reveal. So you can choose any of the animations from these particular options. So let us go with this chroma wave option, and once you will do this, you can see that the animation has been added into this particular element. Now moving on, if you want to add it to another element, so the process is exactly the same, whether it's a graphic or an image or a video or any shape. So what you will need to do is simply click over to the particular object or element, and then click onto this animate option. And once you'll click onto the animate option, you can choose any element that you want. So simply click onto that particular animation, and here you can see that the animation has been applied into both of these elements. So let us click onto this present option to get a preview. Let me click onto this present full screen, and then I will click onto this present option, and here you can see that the animation was present when I presented both of these elements in my presentation. So that's how easily you can add a presentation in your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, do ask us in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.